Hello, I'm going to talk to you about stopping distance. Sorry if the acoustics are a little different. I'm back in my classroom this morning. So, if we are in a car and there is a hazard in the middle of the road, such as a deer, okay, then what we have to do is we have to stop the vehicle before we hit the deer. Now, getting that vehicle to stop is split up into two distances. Number one, the thinking distance. Okay, so that accounts for the driver's reaction time and the human elements. So that first part is your thinking distance. The second part of it is once we've done that, we then apply the brakes. So that is braking distance. So therefore, stopping distance is thinking distance plus braking distance. Okay, so in terms of thinking distance, this takes into account human reaction time. Now that varies, and that varies between 0.2 to 0.9 seconds, roughly. Okay, so that is your human reaction time. Okay, factors that affect human reaction time. Okay, alcohol, if the person's drunk or not, tiredness, other drugs, and I'll talk to you about one more factor afterwards. Braking distance is factors related to the vehicle. So, the brake conditions affect the tyre conditions. Also affect this, the road conditions, and finally the weather. So those are the factors that affect the braking distance. Okay, now both of them are affected by the speed of the vehicle. Now this is because if you are travelling at a faster speed, whilst you are thinking, you will have travelled over a larger distance. Okay, and the same can be said for the braking. So both of these are affected by speed. Now, how the brakes work, okay, work being the operative word, okay, so the brakes, and that equals to them transferring some energy, so work done against friction. Okay, so the brakes are working, okay, they're causing some friction in the road, and that's what causes it to stop. Okay, now, brakes are not foolproof. If you're traveling very fast and you slam on the brake for an emergency situation, that can cause overheating of brakes, okay, if you slam your brakes on, or a loss of control of the vehicle could cause it to skid. Okay, and that is stopping distance. Thank you.